Have you ever heard of a parrot that can't fly and smells like flowers? Before I reveal this rare bird, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a parrot emoji in the comments. This is the kakapo, a giant, flightless parrot from New Zealand. It's nocturnal, meaning it's active at night, earning the nickname all parrot. Kakapos can live over 90 years, making them one of the longest living birds. They have a sweet, musky smell that makes them stand out in the wild. Once nearly extinct, they've been saved by strong conservation efforts, but fewer than 300 exist today.